kayo? Are you guys having fun? Ayan, ready na ba ang mga energy natin? Malalaman. And once again, we are the Sweet Notes Music. Grabe, masayang-masaya po kami. This is our very first time to perform here sa Canada. At dito po sa Calgary yung first stop namin. Maraming salamat po for the sold out show. Maraming salamat. And isa lang po yung hiling namin. Sana po mag-enjoy po tayo ngayong gabing ito. Okay lang po ba yan?